walk through the water. Walk through the water, children walk.
Beautiful sunrise popping up over there. I'm taking some Cementol, which is some super cool rapid set product that dries really hard, high strength, and really fast. So we're gonna go put that in around these pipes. Do you see the gap in there?
Yeah.
Look at this, dude. What? It's almost like it got moved after they patched it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe one of them grabbed onto it or something.
Maybe a drop.
I don't know. Yeah, because even this,
Yeah.
that's no good.
You have to chip that off or what?
Yeah. Let's go. I think it looks pretty good. My problem is underneath at the bottom. That's pretty good. That's beveled around there. Look at this pool, man. Look at this. I'm glad we raised the middle section.
Yep.
It looks good, dude. That French grade is gonna blend in with that blue tile so nice.
Dude, we're happy. What do you think about the little shiner, the joint?
Dude, I love the border, dude. Well, all right, let's mix up a little patch. I think all these other ones are pretty good. Again, the plasterers, they make like before they start, they mix up a batch that has a ton of white cement in it. So it's like it's super strong and dries really quick. And they go in and pack everything around these. I'm gonna use your water hose over there, okay?
Yeah, I'll take it to you.
Oh, thanks, man. If you don't mind, then you could just turn the hose on for me. Thank you, bro. Are you paid by the hour or the day? I said, are you paid by the hour or the day? I'm putting you to work.
Oh, you good?
Thanks, bro.
Oh, man, this thing has water.
Uh-oh. All right, guys, we got plaster day on this one. Had a busy morning, so we're missing most of this plaster job, and I actually have to leave again, so we'll see how the boys are doing, check in, see how it's going. I'll be posting the video from the last one.
I was looking for it the other day.
I'm gonna post it tonight. You'll see it.
I just showed my kid.
Show them, dude. Yeah.
Bro, you left me Saturday.
What? Man, our baby was losing it, man.
Oh, I did.
She was ready to go to bed. Hey, that was fun though.
They won't stray.
He's calling you home.
He'll lead through the night and show the way.
Calling you home.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Thank you.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd. He's calling you home. The gate is narrow, the road is true.
He's calling you home.
His love will guide and carry you. He's
Calling you home.
follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd. He's calling.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I had to run real quick and get some covers for the main drain. These covers, you could put PebbleTech finish in it. It looks really sharp. And then the employee at PP, my boy's over there, he has his own embroidery business. I'll give him a shout out here. They have an Instagram. Got Jandy on deck.
The goats will wander on shifting sand,
He's calling you home.
but the sheep will rest at the shepherd's hand. He's
Calling you home.
follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd.
Follow the shepherd. He's calling you home.
Not too shabby. let's see here. So put those pipes here. And then we've got all these fittings. This is what we're gonna build. I'll show you a dry run. That means without any glue. You take a pipe, take a cap. We're gonna glue that on there. We're gonna take one of these fittings that has thread like this, right? Mm-hmm. That's gonna go on this end, and that's gonna be my permit tube. And then it has a cap that I could tighten down like that.
Oh, what's that?
These are PVC cutters, but I'll use them sometimes as like a wrench to loosen this up.
Hearing the buzz.
See that? That's very toxic glue, okay? So this is what we do. Take some PVC. This is one way of doing this. There's another way that you'd use like a primer, but we're not gonna do that because this isn't gonna be under pressure. But we're gonna glue that up. See that?
Mm-hmm. I hate the smell.
Can you smell it?
Yeah, it makes me pant for breath.
Okay, so we're gonna glue that. Can you hold that straight up? Thank you. And I'm gonna glue this. Also, the inside of the cap, or the bottom.
The bottom and the cap just.
And we're gonna squeeze this on. See that?
Yeah, do you usually use the white?
Usually I use a gray glue, which dries slower. This one dries really fast.
It's good.
So we'll leave that like that for a little bit, push on it.
And VeggieTales, he's saying the grass is always green on the other side.
Does he say that a lot?
Yeah, he's explaining that it's always not good to have things, and he painted the tiles right before they're gonna do a show, and Bob says, "Whoo, come on."
Does he say the grass isn't always greener, or it is?
It is sometimes.
Okay, don't get glue on your dress with the bottom, so hold it out.
It is sometimes greener on the other side, but that's. You know how he's silly, he doesn't really understand what he's saying.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, and then Bob's like, well, we'll get a show up for the kids, and you and me will wipe this stuff up before it dries. and Larry said, did he mention it was instant dry?
Uh-oh. Instant dry. So did it get stuck?
It got stuck.
Yeah, I imagine so, right? Okay, so there's a permit tube right there. I'm gonna put some. You wanna try to unscrew the lid? Go ahead. Don't get your hand on the glue. Oh, spin the other way. So when you spin to the left, it's lefty loosey.
Righty tighty.
Righty tighty. Good job. Keep going. You got it. Now just pull it. There you go. So we'll have a permit in there.
What's this?
Copper wire. That's for bonding. We run this around pools to do bonding. Look how good these came out, babe. They love each other. Hey, Ani. Where's Mama? Did Mommy come?
No.
Look at that sunset. Pretty, huh? Look at my permit tubes. What do you think?
They look great.
Is that cool?
I love it.
Got your Halloween costume ready?
Almost.
Almost.
I'm the Anne of Green Gables. We have Jack-o'-lantern.
No way. That's cool. All right, have a good evening.
Have a good night, guys.